Sapppnin.
Tell you what's happening.
More nighttime vibes.
Oh.
Why is this open?
I have no idea.
This is ripe for a boost. I wonder if we'll find some weird shit going up.
Oh, have you heard that on here?
I think it best you let me go outside with the GoPro downstairs.
Okay. Did you fucking hear it in there though?
Yeah, boy.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Gunshots. Actually, let me get myself sorted.
Get yourself fucking sorted, innit?
Look at that one, yeah?
Just gotta wait him out with these things. My fingers not fucking work. I thought, oh no, this hasn't got touch lights on.
Yeah, we've done something. What have we done? You've touched them on. Oh yeah.
I touched them on. I'll fucking touch you on.